Good morning, YouTube friends and family. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? My Zone 9A people, we are supposed to get 20 degrees. 20 degrees. Oh my gosh. We are going to have what Floridians can expect to be a white Christmas. I wouldn't be surprised at 20 degrees if we don't get snow. So what am I covering up? I just don't know. I'm out here. I have not been attending to the garden at all. I hadn't even been watering this stuff, so let's see how it's doing. I told you the lazy HOA is name and action. The lazy HOA gardener. So I probably will go ahead and cover up all my trees. I don't know. I'm going to look them up and see if they need chill hours. Like this one's too big to cover. But I have a lot of like twin sheets that I can use to cover everything up that I save. Like when I get rid of a set, I go ahead and save it. And all you got to do is zip tie. So zip tie it around the trunk and cover it up. Just to give it a little bit of protection. It's not major protection, but it is a little bit. And again, we're still getting peppers here in Jacksonville, but I guess that's soon going to end. But I do have, that looks like tatsoi from the seeds I dropped. That looks like more tatsoi. So the stuff is coming up. We still in pull these carrots. I probably needed to pull them and drop some more because they're no good to eat by now. Onions are still doing their thing. Again, I ain't even been watering this stuff. So, lazy, lazy, lazy. How much food I'm going to get? I'll starve. Lazy won't get you a lot of food. But I'm learning. I'm learning. It's still learning. So I got a little bit that came up here, and I've been meaning to drop some more seeds. But these were like spinaches and lettuces. And this is doing fine. I want to say that must be a lettuce mix from the looks of it. It's doing fine, but I hadn't been watering. It rained a couple of times. These are the red kale, red mustards that my friend left on my doorstep. I put them in the ground immediately. They're doing their thing. And this is really doing it. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. In the bucket. Doing it. Now these things can stand a little cold snap. It actually makes them do better. Look at there, my kohlrabi's getting a bulb. Remember, I dropped these seeds like a month ago, and they are doing their thing. I also dropped radishes around them, so that might be a radish. Let me feel. So you kind of feel below and around it to see if it's actually forming a bulb. And I don't think so. Or maybe that's some spinach. But you can still eat the leaves of this stuff. So I may go ahead and pull it for the leaves and kind of saute them or throw them on a salad. But the kohlrabi is doing its thing. And I love some white kohlrabi. I need to thin these out, and hopefully it'll still bulb because I'm kind of late with the thinning. But it's growing. Oops. I'm just blocking y'all out with all this foliage. It's growing. Even if you do not have a lot of time, you can still grow some food. I think this was doing some potatoes. Even though it ain't potato season, it's still kicking them out. These tomatoes, these mortgage lifters coming back, and they didn't do anything the first time, but now they want to come back. I'm also going to harvest real quick because I do need some bell peppers in the house. Still got bell peppers. Need to harvest all this stuff, these peppers, before the frost hits, because they will not survive. Now we already know we doing good to get what we're getting right now, but they won't survive. This kohlrabi's doing amazing. Can you see that? From the seed. Isn't that amazing? Oh wow. Oh wow. I'm excited. So again, let's chat it up in the comments about what you're doing. I got to figure out how to hold the camera and hold my harvest, because I am pulling these things and gonna eat them. I'll be back out. I'll come back out on the next break and pull the rest of these peppers. But food, and I ain't even really trying that hard. So this is encouragement to all of you to get out here and do this thing. That's another one for my friend. It's doing amazing. I think this spot needs a little more sun, but as the sun rises, it does get more. These are the southern greasy, southern green glaze collards that I dropped. They're coming up. The seeds are doing very, very good. Sorry for my heater, but we gotta have heat. It's cold right now. But yeah, I'll probably try to cover this. I mean, if it has no leaves on it, I'm gonna have to do a quick research. Because if it has no leaves, I don't see where it would be hurt or damaged. Nose running. Whoa. And even the ones with leaves that are tall and well established, I'm probably not gonna cover it. I don't know. Let me think this thing over, because again, I'm lazy. But I will come pull the rest of the fruit. Want to pull the rest of these lemons off. It's like 3 of them left. So I'm going to get those off. And somebody already asked for them. So they'll get those. And that is it. That is what the garden is doing. And that one even has a bud on it. You see that bud right there? I hope you can, because the sun is in my eyes. I can't even see it. But that bud is on there. I don't know if that's an indication that you need to cover. But I know the greens need chill hours. I know they do. And look at them beautiful kohlrabis. I'm so proud and happy about those, because they are so tasty. And check out my kohlrabi hash video I did. I am excited to be able to make that again with some fresh garden kohlrabis. And there's 2 more in there, if you can see them. So I am excited, and the cold will help them thrive a little more. Remember these tomatoes, still diseased, but they were little, like under 1 foot sticks. Now they all over the ground. I just did it to see what would happen, and look what happened. We getting tomatoes. It's even flowers on there. In December in zone 9A. The seeds can't even tell the seasons. So I just wanted to give you a quick garden update, and wish you a happy holiday, and remind you to get ready for this frost that we're about to get. We hadn't seen 20 degrees in a very long time. So I hope all of you are prepared. And remember, prep and pray. Plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Have a happy holiday.